Hey you guys, so I just want to take the time to show you guys how to do a backdrop without buying an actual backdrop. So I just came back from Home Depot. We just bought some piping, you know. Just kidding. So we just bought some piping and we are gonna go ahead and put this backdrop together for you guys. I spent less than $15 and I'm sure backdrops are like around 30, I don't know, they're pretty expensive, but I just wanna do it the pobresita way. But yes, we are gonna show you guys how to put it together. So first, I will also go ahead and put all the sizes down below. You are gonna need to get your piping cut, and I will go ahead and put the certain feet, the certain size down below. Okay. Sissy Pessy! I need your help. Okay, while she's doing whatever she's doing, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what we got at Vanity Box. So we got some lashes. We got some Dashin Cocoa lashes. Let's see it. There you go. There you go. And we also got these Ardell Wispy lashes. Yes. We also got, so these are from Violet Voss lashes. Oh, these are so cute. The name is Donut, like a donut care. I do not care, bitch.
Anyways, if you guys haven't heard of Vanity and you guys live in the Downey area, I feel like Vanity Box is a really good place to get good quality makeup for a good price without having to go to Sephora, Morphe, or any of those stuff. They got a lot of different brands available, so yeah.
Yeah, so we also got some Cocoa lashes 9 to 5. This is how they look. We also got another pair of Violet Voss, and these are called Come On Eileen. These are super cute. We also got some other Cocoa lashes called Baby G. This is how these look. We also got the original beauty blender. So it comes with how many beauty blenders?
It comes with 6 beauty blenders and a soap, and it's, I believe she said it was $120.
$130 value.
$130 value for $80.
This
which
is
not bad. Yes, your bitch saved like 50 bucks. 50 bucks.
And right here we got some.
Wait, don't open it, don't open it.
We gotta show them. Then we'll just put it back in. So right here, this is like a belt to put all your makeup brushes in. The cool thing about this is that it already came with some brushes. So this is how it looks so far. You open it. Bitch, look at all these brushes that it comes with.
Hold on. We're gonna move this.
Look at
wow.
all these brushes that it comes
And
with.
guess how much that was? Only $150.
So this is really good.
It sounds expensive, but if you think about it, if you buy every individual brush by itself with the pack on, with the belt itself, you know, you'd be spending probably like $300 because these are really good brushes and it's a really good material for the belt bag. Plus, it's got pretty much a bunch of crap. Not crap. It's stuff we're gonna use.
27, 28, 29, 30, 31. I don't know if I counted right, but I counted 31 brushes in here. This shit is gonna come through for sure.
Okay, put it this, 31 brushes, let's say they were about $10 a brush, you know, which is obviously give or take more. But 30 times 10, that's already $300. And all I spent was $150 for all the brushes plus the belt.
So you clip it on, and then like, it's just like this. Clip this bitch on, and then you just, ooh, girl, you need some highlight? I got you.
Bitch,
okay, let's put this back. Oh, bitch, you need some more contour? Okay, bitch, let's contour more. So this is for sure gonna come through. Me and my sister both do makeup. So this is for sure gonna come through for us.
And we already have our own makeup kits. We just kind of wanted to like make it seem like a little bit more professional because we have a little bit of everything, and you know, we mix it up to get whatever foundation we need per person. So I figured, you know, we can just kind of stick to like certain brands and just kind of be more uniform with our kit. So which is why I spent this excessive amount of money on our makeup today, but it was worth it.
So we also got some Palladio foundations in different color shades. I love this because this is how it, you just get it, so you get some, then you squish that shit, you squish that bitch, and it just comes right out. So it's not like those, and then whatever pump, you have to use the whole pump. Like literally, if you want a little bit of this to blend in with the darker shade just so it can match, you just put in a little dot. We also got some Palladio setting spray in dewy, not matte. I am more of a dewy type of person. Do you want to go ahead and tell them the rest of the stuff that we got?
So pretty much I just got a little spatula because I already have a bunch of different palettes, but I always lose my spatulas, so I had to buy another one.
I was like, where's my phone?
So pretty much she already showed you, we got all these different shades. I also bought a few different shades of these just because they always come in really handy depending, you know, if you're gonna do glam makeup or SFX. These are really good and they're really cheap, so.
And the reason why these are really, really good is because they're so affordable and just the quality of the makeup.
It's got good coverage and it spreads easily. You don't need much, and literally if you're just not going to wear a lot of makeup that day, just use a little bit of this for the concealer, you know, to highlight some places on your face, and a little contour and blend it out, and guess what? You don't even get a full face. Yes, you cut that out. Plus, another thing I bought is this Palladio Skin Detox Clarifying Mask. Okay, so it's a skin detoxifying clarifying mask. So it goes on dark because it's a charcoal, and then it clears within 10 to 15 minutes. It dries clear, and you can just wear it alone or put makeup on top of it, which is really cool.
It's everything that we got from Vanity Box. All the lashes, oh my god, these are so cute. You know what the thing is with these? They had samples on to try on your eye, and I would have never expected them to look the way they do on your eye if I were to just see them on the packaging. So thank God that they do have samples of these. These are super bomb. They're Hong Kong, I believe. Yeah, they are Hong Kong. These are the foundations. The lady. So we got this brush for free since we spent so much in Vanity Box. And we also got this post makeup recovery spray that she gave us. But yeah, I definitely think you guys should go ahead and check out Vanity Box. I'm gonna go ahead and put the address right here for you guys. You guys can go ahead and take a little visit to them. So you guys can go ahead and... Okay, so now that we're done showing you guys our little makeup shopping spree, we are going to begin showing you guys how to put this whole piping backdrop thing together. So let's get started.
Okay.
Hold up.
Pipe it up. I stand on the stage and I pipe it up. Get her, pipe it up. She was a basic bitch till I piped her up. She was a basic. I'm just doing my dab. I call it the pipe it up.
Check this. Oh,
pipe it up.
Broke it.
Use the one that's extra, bitch.
This one's not extra?
No. So pretty much, this one's gonna go on top in the middle, and then the other one's gonna be on top. It's inside pieces.
Okay.
And the
so we have these elbows. No, we have these T's and we have these elbows. So you're gonna need 4 T's and 6 elbows. And then I will go ahead and put the size for you guys. These are 3/4. We got, what size are these?
These are 3-foot size chopsticks. If you guys, you know, eat big sushi.
Bitch, I am not sushi.
So we got 4 of the 3 feet ones. Well, we pretty much got 3 pipes, but we had them cut it down to the sizes that we needed. So we got 4 pipes, 3 feet. We got 4 of the 1 foot pipes and 2 of the 5 foot. So the 5 ones are the biggest ones. Those are gonna be the length of it. That's how far it's gonna go. And in between, you're gonna have your 3s and your 1s.
And this is what's gonna basically put them together. These T's and these elbows. So
So you're gonna put 2 of the 1 foot ones off to the side with one of the T's. Another 2 of the 1 foot ones off to the side with one of the T's. Next, we're gonna get the 3P poles.
honestly, you guys, I am not good with all this handy dandy type of stuff.
So you're gonna have a 1 foot, 1 foot, and then a 3 foot. And then you're gonna get the elbows and put it on the 1 foot ones off to the side. Very simple, very, very simple.
This is already gonna be the stand
up on its
okay?
own.
So yeah, let's see. Let me try to show you guys. So this is already gonna be one of the stand.
This is very simple. So pretty much we're just putting them together. We have both of them. We're gonna get another one of our 3 foot. So remember, you're gonna put the 1 foot and 1 foot with the T, and then on the top one, you're gonna put the 3 foot and the 2 elbows. So these are both of our stands already. How fast was that?
Yeah, and you wanna make sure that the T is in the middle. You don't wanna use obviously the T's on the outside. The elbows are gonna be used on the outside because you do need it to go in 3 ways. And obviously the T goes in this one, and this one. So that's gonna be in the middle. Elbows at the end. So we have our 2 stands already. That's gonna go on the side.
And then on top of the 3rd stand, on the stands, you're gonna put the last 2 T's. So it's gonna go like this. Now, can you hand me one of the 5 foot ones?
Yes, ma'am. These are the 5 foot ones. So you see, bitch, I am 5 foot.
Me too.
I'm 5 foot 1 because look.
It's just as tall as me.
Look, I'm taller. So she wanna be telling me that I'm 4'11", bitch. I'm 5 feet.
Okay, come on, let's do it. So we're just gonna put the 5 foot ones in between. So now it is off frame, but let's go back a bit. So we've got it to this height now. Now what we're gonna do is we are going to stick another one of the 3 footers on top of the T's. And again, with this one.
And now we're gonna get our last 2 elbows. We're gonna put it right here. And obviously you don't want this facing this way because obviously we are not gonna have the sticks going that way. You want them to go this way. So make sure that you do place them this way. So on this side, they're gonna be placed this way.
And we've got that last elbow.
And guess what,
and there you go. How was
we
that?
got a pobrecita backdrop. Hey!
Pipe it up, 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 pipe it up. I walk in the club just to pipe it up. I stand on the stage and I pipe it up. Get a regular hotel, I pipe it up. Buy a bando and I pipe it up. Pipe it up, pipe it up, pipe it up.
So pretty much you guys see how simple it is to build it as long as you guys have all the measurements down and know exactly what it is that you're going to be using. It's very simple. We have it up and you can just put anything over it and use it as your backdrop. So this is how you do a quick little YouTube.
Sammy, I need help. I'm too short.
Bitch, we're both the same height. So this is just a quick little example.
So yeah, this is a sabana, bro. This is not even like a fucking actual cloth thing, but
it's a quick example of how you can use it.
So let's bring it closer. Really, just take it apart and put it back in like 5 minutes. So this is definitely a like good investment.
And it was all less than $15. So if you can see how quickly we put this up together by ourselves, you can do it too.
Less than $15, remember that.
And less than 5 minutes to put it together.
Exactly.
So come on,
so do it the pobrecita way.
Why wouldn't you do it the pobrecita way?
Buy some pipes.
Look at this. Hey, pipe it up, pipe it up, pipe it up. Okay.
So thank you for watching.
Thanks, guys.